How to find Instagram users near me. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Instagram account. Then click on the magnifying glass-like option at the bottom, which will open search bar at the top. Simply click on the search bar and search for your location. After that, at the top, scroll to the left and you'll find Places. Click on Places. After you've clicked on Places, select the place. After you've selected the place, in here, click on Recent. After you click on Recent, you will find all the posts, which are recently posted. Now you can simply click on the users and see the users near you. And this is how to find Instagram users near me. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.